Good morning, everyone. It's Becky from Bernie, Becky, and Hank, and we're moving today. So we're leaving here at Craggy Wash, and we're going to, I don't know, we're going someplace right before the van mill. And so I have to tear down camp, and I'm starting with, need to take care of my bedding. It cannot be up here when I fold it up. Will not fit. That's step one. Those pillows in the very back, but I have to have everything else off. And then I flip. Oh, come on. I need both hands to do this. Okay. So now it's folded up, and now I have to put my bedding away. Okay, so this is my comforter. It was a king-size down comforter when I had a house, and I love it, so I cut it down, sewed the edge with matching fabric, and this is my blanket. And I've been coloring on it because it's mine and I can. So, anyway. So I rolled this up. I'm not going to the site. I don't want to mess it up. I think the OM might actually. I wouldn't be surprised if they go out there tonight. Everybody get a really write it down. So there's my down comforter. That's right. I need something to wrap around it. I've been just sticking it into a plastic bag, a Target bag. But I think I need something more permanent. Some kind of stuffed bag or like a Velcro strap. I will think of something. So, it's my bedding. Pillows out of the way for right now. I use this so the bed, when it's folded up, I can use it as a shelf to help keeping things organized while I'm folding up or taking care of the rest of the stuff. So, okay, on to the next part. I'm not saying you can't have stuff done in place. These are my curtains I'm going to be working on. Somehow fixing magnets, but I think what I'm going to do is go to a craft store and see if I can find magnetic rope that I could sew around the edge, the perimeter, have the curtain fit perfectly. Just kind of throw it up there and it sticks. So I cut this curtain and I got frays everywhere, sticking to everything. So we have to, I might end up getting the curtains, these are blackout curtains, but I might end up getting the ones that are insulated blackout curtains. How are you going to know? Well, just a little another layer. Quick one, Mom, I'm on the way down. So. Okay. I have plenty. Okay. See what's going on outside of my van. Great big loser. Yeah. Carolyn and Parker, Mike. I know. My mom can't stand it when my voicemail's full. Anyways, they're hanging out. I got work to do though. She's not answering back. So, I have to take my screen down. Halfway falling down right now. I was getting in there yesterday. But, fold this up and put it away. Better organize my back. Probably can put that heater away. I'm not going to be using that for a while. Storage cases. This one is for my art supplies, and that one's medicine and like clippers and nail polish and I don't know, things for the body type stuff. Some braces and anyways, It's a lot better when I know where everything is. I had hurt myself, needed a Band-Aid, and my first aid kit was way too hard to get to. But and then this other case is my tools and hardware and stuff, and they all stack really nice. So what else got to go back here? Oh, my yoga mats. Oh. Somebody's getting their chair and Ace is not happy. Or maybe he just wants to play. Okay, yoga mats. Oh, I can't say that, can I? So I got my yoga mats all rolled up. Now I gotta store them. Okay. Probably anal about where things go, but yeah, work best to go in front of the sleeping bags. Stand up. There we go. Mat goes there. And my chair goes over here. I am not ready to put my chair away. Bucket list adventures, and he came by with his little dog. What's your dog's name?
Lucy.
Lucy, yes. And you can check out his YouTube channel. He's a cool guy. Fan folded down, put away. So it's in traveling mode, most of it. I do have some dirty dishes. I do not feel like heating water right now. I'm doing 3 plates in a bowl. So I'm going to have to find some place to stick those. And I have my art supplies to put away yet. But what I'm worried about is my grass outside. I just got that and not too long ago. And I left it here and went back to California and got my paddleboard. So I have not had this grass and my paddleboard on top of the van at the same time yet. My old grass was smaller. I'm hoping everything fits okay, but I'm not ready to throw that up there yet. But soon. At the top, almost down, I got to put that carpet up top, and I'm worried about it fitting there. But that's the next thing, is to roll the grass up and put it on top, and then put the top down. Hopefully I don't have to undo the paddleboard and redo it. I'm hoping I don't have to. The carpet up and see if it fits. Fingers crossed. Yay, it fits. Thank you. Yay. So now I have to strap it down and hopefully not readjust my paddleboard to make everything close up. So I'm going to put this little carpet runner up there and kind of brace the AstroTurf. But no, I don't. Peekaboo. So I can put it there. And then my strap. It's nice having this access through this window here. I don't need a ladder to do all this. Don't want to lose my AstroTurf going down the road. There. Thank you. So now I am trying to close the rest of the lid, and what I got to do is this canvas. I don't want it up here because it'll wear a hole through it when this hits up there. So, and I don't want it sticking out while I'm driving down the road, so I've got to roll it up and tuck it. That's my next step. All ready to squeeze it down. A couple of things I've learned over the years about this is you got to open a door. You got to have some place for the air to go when you're squishing it down. And on this locking mechanism, there's this little, oh, you can't see it right here. I'll show you in a second. Oh, right there. See that silver button? Right now it's flush with the rest of it. And when I slam this down, and I gotta slam it to get it to latch on this, if that button is not flush, it's not locked. If it's still sticking out, the pop top can pop open while you're driving down the road, and it's scary. I've had that happen a couple times, so I finally learned how to tell if it was locked. So that's the next step. And maybe I will set this phone up so you guys can watch me. Here, I'll turn this around. Okay. It's flush yet. Tuck all the canvas in, all the way around. It's good. It's an unflattering angle, but it's all tucked up. And carpet, paddleboard. Huh. Maybe that's going to slide over a little more. Okay, may have to fix that. Packed up, except for my chair. The last thing you pack away and the first thing you get out. It's sitting in the shade still. But we're not ready to go yet. Carolyn still has her shade tent up.
Well, I did, but well, see,
so
I said, you know, I'm gonna see it. And she goes, oh, come see it. And I said, can I bring my camera? She goes, yes.
No.
And then I got over and started filming, and she goes, what are you doing? It looks awful. Mine and Becky's.
Yes, you can have anything, but you can't add to it.
Is there a camera in there?
Yes. Yeah.
So Carolyn's taking her shade tent down. I'm getting serious now. But I am all ready to go, except for my chair. The last thing you put inside, always. First thing you get out.
Yeah.
The van is loaded. Carpet on top. Paddleboard. Everything's secure. I do have some garbage to get rid of. But I'm good to go when the caravan's good to go. So I will film more from the van build, and I'll see everybody later. So we're going up the gulch, whatever. I'm here. Matt wanted me to stop by one of Bob's friends riding in Bob's bucket list bus. Bob's kind of a cool character. I guess he was at the van build last year too, but in 2015, he said in December, he was diagnosed with stage 4, I think it was throat cancer that had spread, and they gave him 2 weeks to live, and he told the doctor, who are you to give me 2 weeks? And that was in December of 2015. He's still kicking. He says he doesn't feel real well. And so he's off doing a bucket list in a bus. Cool guy. Check out his channel. There's so many people here. Oh my gosh. I'm excited about the van build. Oh, and here's my cab. I almost didn't recognize it without my van there. Okay, well, I am going to go upload this so you guys can see what's going on, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.